Here I have TOSCIDO P101, and today I'm going to show you how to enter factory mode on this device. To do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see TOSCIDO logo appear, to release power key and keep holding only volume up. And after that you will end up in the factory mode. So unfortunately everything here is in Chinese, I guess. But with the help of modern day technology we can translate it. Just let me take a picture and then we can talk. So it goes kinda like PCBA automatic test, machine automatic test. So here you can see the options next to it, with my face reveal even. So here in this mode, using volume down you can navigate, and using volume up you can select. And you have these options like this PCBA automatic test, you have machine automatic test, PCBA single test of whole machine, suggest time test items, phone basic info, test results, machine, and other stuff. But the most important, that to exit this mode you have to select an option reboot, which is like the pre-last option. So we select it by using volume up, and after that device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.